In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code in Webflow. Whether you're embedding a third-party widget, adding a small JavaScript snippet, or simply displaying example code on a page, I'll walk you through the exact clicks and what each option does so you know which one to use. First, make sure you're inside your Webflow project in the designer on the page where you want the code to live. It helps to click the element on the canvas that should contain the code, like a section or a div, so the new element drops in the right spot. Next, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon on the left toolbar. This is your library of elements. There's a search bar at the top. Type the word code to quickly filter the options instead of scrolling. From here, you'll see an option called Code Embed. Click that to insert it onto the canvas. Code Embed lets you add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that will execute on your site. Heads up, this feature requires a paid plan in Webflow. In the editor that appears, paste or write your snippet. Keep your code self-contained. Wrap CSS inside style tags and JavaScript inside script tags if needed. Avoid including secrets and make sure tags are properly closed. When you're done, click Save and Close to commit the embed. If you don't need code to run and you only want to show formatted code to your visitors, choose the code block option instead. Click code block, place it where you want, and it will display code as content rather than executing it. This option is available on free plans and is great for tutorials or documentation pages. After entering your example code, click Save and Close. At this point, you should see a placeholder in the designer for either the embed or the display block. That's normal. For embeds, some scripts only run on the published site, so don't worry if you don't see live behavior inside the designer. That's it. Your custom code is now added. Remember, use code embed when you need functionality to execute, and use code block when you just want to show code to readers. Keep snippets minimal, test changes carefully, and document what each embed does so it's easy to maintain in the future. Congratulations, you've successfully added custom code in Webflow.